Hello there. Uh, we are back with another video, and today I'm working on Volvo XC90 06, and in this opportunity we're gonna replace the hub assembly. The front hub, this from West, and you can see that the new part right here, and that's the part number. So to do that, we're gonna need number 15 socket for the bolts on the back. We're gonna need a number 18 for the bolts on the strut, and these are the bolts for the caliper. It's number 18 too. So you have to remove the caliper. The axle, I like working on these cars because they make it so easy. They just put this little bolt right here on the axle with the number 13 socket, and there's the axle out. So this axle is very short on this, and it's so easy to take it out. So that's what I like this. So I got that one out, and I think that's all the tools I need. Now I need to remove these 4 bolts, take it out and put the new one on, and then put everything back together. So let me take this out and put the new one. I'll be right back. Alright, got it on. As you can see, I already put this bolt on, and I just tied the bolts on the strut. On these bolts, they use a number 21 on the nut and 18 on the bolt. So that's all you need to do. And yeah, you don't need any special tools on this to do this job. It's an easy job. And yeah, if you are experiencing noise on your tire, it's probably this hub assembly. So go to the store and to the auto store and get you a new one. It won't take you too long to replace it. So let me finish it. Put everything back together. I need to put the rotor and the caliper, and on these parts, these bolts, I'm not using a torque because I know how to tight it, not too much, not too less, but because I've been working on cars for a long time, but if you don't know how to tight this enough, just get you a torque and find the stock specification on internet and torque it. But like I said, I've been working on cars for a long time, and I know when it's tight enough. So that's all I wanted to show you. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to put your jack stands under the car, and do the job safe. All right, everybody, take care and God bless you. Bye.